Hey guys, I'm going to be teaching you how to do some special effects just like this. So let's get right into the video.
Okay, so what I have here is the two clips that we're going to be using. One is a clip of me running and the other is an explosion. So I'll show them to you here. Okay, so now what you want to do is drag your effect right onto the video that you're using. And yeah, make sure it's where you want it to play. Now once you're done with that, what you want to do is in like the top right area, there's going to be two squares and you're going to click on that, then click on picture in picture. Now from here, what this allows you to do is you can move your effect around and you can resize it and reposition it like I'm going to do here. So after this, I'm going to add some sound and let's see what the finished video looks like. So for this next effect, I'm going to teach you how to make an image move. So I have my image here, it's like this fist, and I'm going to be going back into picture in picture and change that dissolve to 0. So once you've done that, you want to move the object where you first want it to be shown. So for me, I want it right on the left of myself. And now, once you're in picture, you're gonna see this little diamond where my cursor is. You're gonna want to click that, and then you're gonna hit spacebar, and then stop it after a little. Then make your first move or drag it to where you want it to be moved. Then hit spacebar again, then move your image again, then you want to hit spacebar, then move your image. So just spacebar, move your image until you want your image to be stopped. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to add the final touches and show you what it looks like.